Hi friends, this is regarding the tutorial is regarding making an contact list. So the use of contact list is, suppose there are many users are using radio, and suppose you want to track the user. So by the PTT ID you cannot know, or you cannot judge who is speaking, or where the radio, or where in the machine the radio is used. So basically we have to make an database of this radio's PTT ID with the user name, or the machine name, or the location name. So here there will be two type of contact list. One will be the for digital radios, one will be for the analog radios. So for digital radios, first we'll cover the digital radios. This is a digital radio. So go to the contacts and go to digital, and here we can make an list of radios. So what procedure I have followed is this is the PTT ID of the radio. Initially I have put the PTT ID. Next is the name of the person who is using, so as per convenience, and this is the ID, digital ID of the radio. So this ID this is a digital ID, and this ID is picked up from this location. Okay, so whenever a person gives a message, so on the other radio, instead of showing this will display, means this will be convenient that who is speaking and who the person or the radio is using. Suppose some radio is lost, I have defined it as find or search, kind of like that. So whenever this user, somebody else is using this radio, I can talk to that person, who is he, and I can catch this person, because this is an unauthorized radio. I have given this radio to somebody else, and it is in other's hand. So we can add a private call, because we are giving IDs to individual persons. It is not a group call, it is a private call. So you just add this type of number with the name and the ID, and you can download it to the radio, and you can easily catch those radio. So what will happen is, on the radio, instead of the number, the name will display, and will easy to identify the person. So suppose this digital radio is used in analog mode. So in this case you have to make an MDC contact list under the contacts. So this is the list. So in our case we are using maximum radios in the analog mode, so the list is somehow big. So the procedure is same, just add a private call and define the PTT ID along with the name of the person, and after that put this number, unique ID, and it download it to the radio, and it will reflect this name will be displayed on the screen, and you can easily catch who is speaking. So this feature is available in digital radios only, means if you are using digital radios in digital mode or in analog mode, then this number along with the name will be displayed. But this is not available in this 338 series analog radios, because you can see there is no contact list here. You can see there is no contact lists. So this is only possible in digital radios, and that too this digital radios, whether it is used in analog mode or digital mode, this will happen, and you can update the contact list. Thank you.